Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Goli, and today we want to talk about OWASP top 10 for machine learning, right? So everybody, I'm sure many of you have heard about OWASP top 10 web application or vulnerabilities, but this is just for AI, all right? Machine learning. So yeah, so again, it's coming from OWASP. So this you can find it on owasp.org. So here you can find the top 10, well, my top 10 machine learning security risk and the list of them, and also the people who have contributed to this one. As you see, and as we all know, so the most critical one, or the one of the highest risk, is input manipulation attack, right? So when you click, and also I should say, once you click on that, you can see that one, right? So you can, it opens the one. But the thing is that this is one of the most important thing, and everybody can do that. Yeah, so it's just trying to convince the model to expose the information which it should not. For example, by telling some story. Yeah, please do this, I'm in danger, I need some help, I'm police, I need this information, I'm a lover, I need this information. So this kind of things. Yeah, so many AIs or many models are protected from this kind of attacks, but this is continuously happening. Yeah, so every day there are new attack vectors for this risk, and input manipulation is one of the most important one. Yeah, so the user is always trying to ask their question or ask their request in a way to convince the model to share the information which it should not share. The second one is data poisoning attacks. Data poisoning attack, again, so if we open that, so data poisoning, it's when the attacker manipulates data, and then the model will behave in a undesired way, right? So for example, a model is responsible to do something, but by manipulating the data or poisoning the data, it will do something else. It will provide false information, wrong information, or it will, if it has, for example, some agents, some other places, it will act in a way which it should not do. And this is also important one. The third one is model inversion attack, which again, the attacker tries to manipulate the user, or manipulate the LLM, to make LLM to expose the information which it should not do that. Yeah, so again, so it's I don't want that there will be a confusion. So let's see that when an attacker reverse engineers the model, yeah, so it's specifically about the model itself. Yeah, so the model inversion means attacker wants to do some stuff that makes the reverse engineering to the model and extract the information. Yeah, so this is also important one. And after that, membership interference attack, so model theft attack, AI supply chains attack. So this is, for example, a vulnerability in the source code, or the vulnerability in the LLM code itself. Yeah, so, and then, for example, gaining access to the model and then try to understand and fetch more information, which we basically the user should not do that. And transfer learning attack, we have also that one. Model squealing, also this is another one. So let's have a look at this one as well. So it happens when the attacker manipulates the distribution of the training data to cause the model to behave in an undesired way. So again, make the confusion for the model, and then the model will be confused, and so it cannot provide the proper data. And output integrity attack, and the last one is model poisoning. So model poisoning is a kind of attack that you poison the model itself. It happens when the attacker wants to manipulate the model's parameter or the source data which the models get trained, and by infecting or changing those models or poisoning them, so then the model will behave in a way which is not desired. Yeah, so these are as of now the top 10 LLM security risks. So it can change in future. However, I think input manipulation attack will be again the first one, because this is one of the most important thing, and there are a lot of talks and tools about it. So this is, I believe it's gonna be again the first one, and then as you can see, maybe they will change in future the rest of them. So I hope you like this video. This is really important for AI security engineers, LLM security engineers, or LLM developers. So everybody who works with AI and LLM. So this is going to be extremely important topic. Yeah. So you should always have a look at these 10 risks, and yeah, you should protect your models from being exploited or attacked by these 10 risks. I hope you like the video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.